strengthening to reduce body inflammation. Chronic inflammation, when persistent, is the root of many diseases. Inflammation harms tissues and organs, disrupting normal cell and system functions. Inflammation is a necessary protective response to fight infections and heal tissues. When chronic, it can lead to various diseases like heart, autoimmune, and cancer. This energy treatment works preventively and correctively, but needs regular use. Because when inflammation becomes chronic or unregulated, can contribute to various diseases, so it's crucial to maintain a balanced inflammatory response and treat any underlying conditions causing persistent inflammation. We eliminate the cumulative effect of tissue damage from inflammation. We remove the buildup of direct damage to body tissues and cells. Let's boost the reduction of inflammatory chemicals to optimal levels. We enhance cytokines and clear inflammation's destructive energy on healthy cells. We erase the latent energy of inflammation-induced chronic diseases. We clear changes in cell function and their cumulative effects. We remove latent and active alterations in normal cell function, including immune and organ cells. We erase the cumulative effects seen in biological process dysfunctions like immune response, metabolism, cell growth, and tissue repair. We erase oxidative stress caused by chronic inflammation. We erase the increased production of reactive oxygen species known as free radicals. We erase the damage caused to cells and tissues. We erase damage leading to chronic diseases like heart, brain, and cancer issues. And we erase damage not yet visible as disease, but lying dormant. We'll erase inflammation damage that caused immune dysfunction. We erase its cumulative effect, like overactive immune responses leading to autoimmune diseases. We erase the immune system's confusion in attacking the body's own tissues. We eliminate the accumulated effects of damage seen in allergic diseases. We remove the built-up exaggerated response to harmless substances. We clear systemic effects of damage to organs from chronic inflammation. We erase the accumulated impact of chronic inflammation on fat tissue. We stop inflammatory substances causing insulin resistance and heart disease. We clear cellular inflammatory responses to various stimuli and conditions. We eliminate invading microbes that trigger inflammatory responses. We boost defenses to prevent spread and infection. We apply infinite negative healing over infinite time. We erase lingering effects from traumatic injuries like cuts and burns. After internal injuries, such as tissue damage or organ failure. We clear the body's programmed response to maintain inflammation even after healing. We remove the buildup of inflammation from toxins like smoke, pollutants, and industrial chemicals. We boost the nervous system and spine to help detoxify these harmful substances. We completely erase all traces and remnants 100% of the time infinitely. We restore balance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. We undo cell damage from free radicals and its inflammatory effects. We correct the body's misguided attack on its own cells, causing widespread inflammation. We erase memories of attacks by those who should have protected you in this life and others. We remove programmed emotions, sensations, and reactions weakening you from these experiences. We eliminate chronic inflammation caused by fat tissue. We clear excess inflammatory substances from this tissue, sending them to the lymphatic system. We erase effects leading to metabolic diseases like insulin resistance, diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. We optimize histamine levels. We remove viruses, fungi, bacteria, parasites, their waste, cell-invading viruses, dead and living cells, allergens, and infections. We strengthen the entire lymphatic system, channels, ducts, nodes, centers, and fluids. 100% potential, infinite time, all the time. Increasing negative electromagnetic field and alkaline pH. Decreasing positive electromagnetic field and acidic pH. Eliminating blood vessel dilation from excess histamine. Reducing blood flow in inflamed areas to optimal levels. Removing redness, heat, and swelling in inflamed areas. Decreasing vascular permeability, eliminating edema formation. Erasing breathing issues and cramps caused by histamine. Stopping histamine-induced inflammatory cell overstimulation. Minimizing mast cells and other inflammatory substances. Restoring optimal histamine production for its functions. Enhancing sleep, neurotransmission, and gastric function. We clear confusion and imbalance causing excess histamine release in the body. We erase memories of severe allergic reactions, hives, asthma, and anaphylaxis from this life and others. We separate chronic inflammation from acute inflammation. We eliminate weaknesses between them to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We balance them to be centered, stable, and in equilibrium. We remove all accumulated effects of anger, stress, and various forms of irritation. We erase individual and combined weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We balance them to be centered, stable, and in equilibrium. We remove all accumulated effects of anger, nerves, and various forms of irritation. We erase the combination of anger, fear, rage, and multiple forms of irritation. fear of letting go, and past pettiness in you and your lineage. We clear the effects on your body and other life areas, making humans infinite, always with endless time. We boost natural anti-inflammatories and glucocorticoids, strengthen adrenals to produce these vital hormones, enhance anti-inflammatory cytokines and TNF-alpha, bolster interleukin to counter harmful inflammation, improve prostaglandins to regulate inflammation, boost anti-inflammatory interleukins to reduce chronic issues, enhance growth factors for tissue repair and regeneration, counteract chronic inflammation and promote healing, will increase regeneration and reduce degeneration. We separate weaknesses caused by pro-inflammatory substances from anti-inflammatory ones, erasing to zero minus infinity 100% of the time within a finite period, leveling them to be centered, balanced, and stable, strengthening them to maintain optimal levels, eliminating the cumulative effect of chronic inflammation and energy imbalances in the body, to zero minus infinity 100% of the time within a finite period. I strengthen your energy with time and speed, strengthening past, present, and future, separating their weaknesses and erasing them to zero minus infinity, leveling them to be centered, balanced, and stable, strengthening your immediate, medium-term, and long-term future, erasing confusion, imbalance, and inequality in your cells, atoms, quantum particles, tissues, organs, and systems. I'll erase all traces, remnants, and impressions of this, as well as anything blocking or hindering its removal. I erase what's yours and not yours, from quantum particles to entire systems, removing all resistance to letting go of these weaknesses completely, permanently, and perfectly. I strengthen all dynamics and limits to 100% with infinite potential, erasing all weaknesses to zero minus infinity for all time, resetting and rejuvenating your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different? Remember, this alternative treatment complements others and has no side effects. Thank you.